Hello guys, this is Shandong from Unitek Laser. Today I come to my factory to take a video and pictures about the laser welding machines. As you can see, small cabinet can be installed with 1 kilowatt, 1.5 kilowatt, up to 2 kilowatt fiber laser source. And the big cabinet can be installed with 3 kilowatt. All the fiber laser welding machine support 4-in-1 function: cutting, cleaning, welding, and cleaning the joint of the welding. So, if you guys like to get a quote or professional information about our laser welding machine, welcome to check with us. No matter you buy or not, I think it's better for you to get something professional from a manufacturer directly, so that you can compare and clear what you get from others, right? It's not a bad thing for you. There is contact information like WhatsApp, email. You all can touch with us, okay? I have been working in the laser industry more than 10 years, so I think I'm a professional salesman. So you guys can get more and professional quote from us. These machines will be exported to our dealer very soon. Maybe in 1 month, our dealer can get all the machines around their warehouse. They will make money, make a lot of money by these machines. We have been cooperation with each other more than 5 years. Hope you guys like me. If you like me, and you can subscribe on my channel, or drop your message or any comment will be appreciated. Thank you.